3-in-1 World Kit for Kids. It comes with a World GK book, World Map and World Flash. We have given the flag of the country on the top with its capital and currency, and on the other side we have given other details about that country. We have color coded each card according to the continents, and we have also highlighted that over here on the map. So suppose if it is China, we have given a number 2 here. So child has to find out this country in the world map. Hint is it's green in color, so the child has to search it here. 2, then it's here, so China. This way we have covered 50 countries in this with a GK book. In this, a question first and answers with an image of it, and then there's a description about it. So we have covered questions from famous buildings, personalities, inventions, human beings, life, earth and universe. World map. This is a big A2 size world map, laminated. You can paste this in the child room, and 50 countries are highlighted over here. Thank you.